We are on the mission to close the gender salary gap and gender investment gap, to help women to increase their financial confidence.
People are finally ready to start talking about the gender gap in both pay and overall wealth, so we started doing this conference. Money doesn't have to be this thing that is scary for people. You know, people say, oh, well, I don't know what an ETF is. You're not born knowing what an ETF is. This is something that you pick up as information over time. So let's demystify that. You know, it doesn't need to be difficult. It doesn't need to be scary. You know, money needs to be a part of all of our lives.
Now we organize as well many workshops for women when we explain about the finance, when we explain the financial markets and all the topics which are with finance connected.
We stand for financial independence and financial equality. Why? Because money is power.
Our mission is to inspire, to empower, and first of all to educate women in all these financial topics.
So we will continue doing these kinds of events and bringing in cool speakers and bringing in people to talk to each other about what it is that money is in their lives and how they have worries and how they have fears and how they want to know more about, for example, investment. Let's have this open conversation.